My name's Dylan here at Foundation RV in Wichita Falls, Texas. And one of the main things that you want to check for in routine maintenance on your RV is your roof. Most people don't know that. They don't like getting up on the roof and they don't check it out, and not doing the proper maintenance will cause major damage to the unit. So your biggest thing is you want to check for your seals that go over all the trims, they go over all the exhaust fans, and it's a self-leveling sealant that we sell here. It's a Dicor brand. You always want to get up here and check for also the seals, any soft spots, tears like this one right here, because just this little small tear right here can cost up to $10,000 worth of damage. It doesn't take very long for it to ruin this whole roof, wall panels on the inside. It's very important to get up on your roof and check it every couple of months and change this sealant, this silicone, at least every 2 to 3 years. With us being here in Texas, it might even be 1 to 2 years just because the sun is baking on it so often. So just be mindful of that your number one routine maintenance should be checking over your roof and making sure that your seals are A-OK.